Welcome to the Crazy Hat Chemist. So another video on gases. Bam! So today we're talking about Avogadro's Law. Avogadro's Law simply states equal volumes of gases at the same set of conditions of temperature and pressure have equal number of particles, that would be molecules, but not necessarily the same mass. So I got three balloons over here. One of them's filled up with helium, one of them's filled up with nitrogen, and one of them's filled up with methane. All of these are gases. That's helium gas, nitrogen gas, why it's N2 because it's diatomic, and then methane gas. Okay, all of them have a volume of 22.414 liters. Okay, all of them have a pressure of 1 atmosphere. All of them have a temperature of 24 degrees Celsius, and all of them have Avogadro's number of molecules at 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. So, at the same set of conditions of temperature and pressure, that is, temperature and pressure will be the same. Doesn't matter if it's 1 atmosphere, 24 degrees Celsius, or it's 35 atmospheres and 0 degrees Celsius. It doesn't really matter. At the same conditions of temperature and pressure, equal number of particles will occur. So it doesn't have to be that many molecules, it could be another number of molecules. But 1 mole is equal to Avogadro's number of molecules, and 1 mole under STP conditions would equal 22.414 liters. That's why I chose those values. However, their masses will be different. So what I want you to do is I want you to calculate the mass of helium gas, then the mass of nitrogen gas, and then the mass of methane gas, using your periodic table, of course. Okay, and you should get the following values. That's 4 grams is the mass for helium, 28 grams the molar mass for nitrogen, and 16 grams is the molar mass for methane. So you should see that even though the volume, temperature, pressure, and number of particles is exactly the same, okay, the masses of those gases will be different. Okay, that's why helium balloons float, because they have very low mass. Okay, all right, now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to write down what Avogadro's law here is. And this is a gas law, and it does look like one of the previous gas laws here. V is for volume, and N is for number of moles of gas. Okay, so N is for number of moles of gas. We're going to be doing the ideal gas law, and N is in the ideal gas law, and that's moles of gas. All right, so hopefully that one is a nice equation for you. We're going to use that in a little bit. Okay, I am the Crazy Hat Chemist. I hope you enjoyed that video. Give me a thumbs up if you like that video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Pass on my YouTube channel to all your cool chemistry friends, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye now.